Hello good people, welcome to Wafu TV. This is the platform where we teach elementary mathematics and we support the education of underprivileged learners in local communities. At Wafu TV, we demystify elementary mathematics so that children can develop love for mathematics itself and use this knowledge to study science, technology, and engineering. In our last lesson, we talked about the different operations that are carried out as far as sets are concerned, and we promised you to handle Venn diagrams in today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we are going to look at Venn diagrams, and on my right hand side we have a Venn diagram showing two sets, and on my left hand side we have another showing two sets as well. How do we answer questions from these diagrams? That is what we are going to do today. So let's go straight away into solving some examples for your understanding. In our first example, we have the universal set represented by this symbol, and we have set R and set S. When they ask for elements in set R, just ignore the set S and vice versa. That is, if they ask for the elements in set S, ignore R and other elements found outside of set S. Let's answer the questions together. R intersection S means elements that we can find in R and in S. We have 4, 5, and 6. Let's look at R union S. We are going to put together only elements in the set R and in the set S. In R and in S, what is the least element? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is here, 8 and 9. Now let's go to the next one, which is R union S complement. When they ask for this, for the complement of a set, the first thing you do is to find the set. What is the set R union S? And this is it we have here. So the good thing is we have this already here. Now you ask yourself, complement, what are those elements that are in the universal set but absent in this set? So from 1 up to 9, no number is missing, but in the universal set we have 10, we have 11, and we have 12. Therefore, the complement of the set R union S will be 10, 11, and 12. If you add these elements to this set, it will give you the universal set. Alright, let's go to the next question. So let's look at R. Starting from the list, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements in the set R. Let's look at the set S. Starting from the least element as well. The least element is 4. So we start from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's move to the last question, which is asking us for the universal set. That is all the elements, and they are starting from the list as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that is how you can handle this question as far as Venn diagrams are concerned. Let's look at the second example. The first, let's start from the simple ones and get to the ones that are a little bit complicated. Alright, what is the set W? Just look at this set that I highlight in red. What you find in this red means it is in set W. And what are they? We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and we have 12. Let's go to set V. The elements in set V are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Only this makes up set V. Now let's unite set W and set V. Which are those elements found in set V and in set W? So you have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 12. W intersection V. What do we have in W and in V? This is the trick. All what you have in V is in W, but all what you have in W is not in V. So the intersection of these two sets is all what you have in set V, which is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now we are getting to complement again. What do we have in the set V complement. V complement means elements in the universal set but not in set V, and they are 1, 2 is in V, so you don't list that. 3, do we have 3 anywhere? Yes, we have 3. 4 is in V. 5 is not. 6 is in V. 7 is not. 8 is in V. 9 is not. 10, we don't have 10 anywhere. 11, we have 11 out of V. 12 out of V. And 13 is here out of set V. So these are the elements in V complement. Let's go to W complement. Which are those elements you can find in a universal set but not in W? So simply they're asking us for elements found outside of the red circle or set W. So which are they? We have 1, 3, 5, 13. So these 4 elements, 1, 3, 5 and 13, are not in the set W, and that makes W complement. Let's go to the next, which is W intersection V complement. W intersection V complement means elements that are in the universal set but absent in the set W intersection V. And good enough, we were able to find W intersection V here. So which are the elements absent from here but found in the universal set? We just look at this and list them. 1 is in the universal set, 3 is here, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. These are the elements in W intersection V complement. Let's go now to V complement complement. This is where you find it a little bit complicated, but it is not. The trick to do this, or to easily find this, is first find the set V complement. We have it here already. What is the complement of this set? So which element, if added to this set, will make up the universal set? In V complement we have 1, and what is absent is 2, because 2 is in the universal set. 4, 6, 8. So we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. If you look at this set carefully, you will realize that it is the set V. V complement complement is simply asking you for V, because the elements in V are not found in V complement, and the complements of V complement are the elements in V. Last but not the least is W complement complement. So using this trick, we'll simply just look at the set W and list the elements, because it's asking us for what is in the universal set but not found in the set W complement, and they are the set W, which is here, the first one that we identified. So here is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. This is what you can do as far as interpretation of Venn diagrams are concerned. If you understood this, then give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and of course subscribe to our channel so that each time we share any lesson, you will be notified. This is all we had for you today, and in our next lesson we are going to do more on Venn diagrams so that we can interpret the different information that is presented to us in Venn diagrams. Thank you for always being there, and see you in our next lesson. To get more information, you can contact the numbers on the screen, or you can visit our website